Arimi guku bururi-ini kaingi matikoragwo na thoko nginyaniru ya kuria mangiendia magetha mao na wangi magakorwo matari na utauku mukinyaniru wa uria mangikinyaniria magetha ma ikiro cia iguru. Kuringana na Minista wa THOTHAITI CHELUGUI ni hari bata arimi kona ciothe cia bururi kumba THOTHAITI kuona thirikari iri na njira nyingi cia kumahura njeki mari ikundi-ini.
We are training farmers and business owners and also training farmers to be business owners, so that when you're looking at your farming, your farm, you're not just looking at it as the traditional way you're looking at as a farm, you're looking at that farm as a business.
CHELUGUI atariria arimi no mahote kwamukira mathomo megemaine na urimi uria maratwarithia na mbere mari ikundi-ini, thirikari ihote kumethera thoko ya magetha mao na oho magie na mweke wa kwamukira ngombo cia kumahura njeki.
We will be able to change people, their attitude, their culture, by partnering with private research and academic institutions.
Mbona vijana wanakimbia kupata kazi ya clerk kama anaweza pata shilingi 1,100 kwa mwezi? Mbona anakimbia kupata hiyo kazi huko nje? Kazi iko mashinani. Tunataka warudi.
CHELUGUI aritie hindi ya kurikirira kwa kigomano kia mathomo megi urimi wa ng'ombe cia iria mwena wa Moro kaunti-ini ya Nakuru kuria arimi matanyiheire 500 mamukirite mathomo macio itanya inene ari gukiria urimi wa iria gicigo-ini giki.
Our mission is to reduce the cost of borrowing so that we minimize for the farmers to build to single digits interest rates.
Tuko na targets ya dairy sector export maziwa bilioni 1 lita, na hiyo bilioni 1 inaanzia hapa bottom up. Tunataka ku double production, na hiyo doubling ya production inaanzia nyumbani.
Aria mamukirite mathomo maya oho ni moritio guthugunda njira cia guthondeka iria ria mutu niguo makahota kuriendia nginyagia mabururi-ini ma nanja na thogora wa iguru.
We've seen people begin very humble and progressively grow to enterprises that employ hundreds of people.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.